Do you believe in previous life? Do you believe in past life regression? Do you feel that something is holding you back in this life, but there is no reason in this life? Do you have a fear and phobias which has nothing to do with this life? And you are wondering why I have this. There may be certain negative patterns which you don't know why you are having this negative pattern and certain habits. Why you behave certain times which you should not behave. My friend, I am Pradeep Agarwal from Institute of Mind Control Development, Hyderabad, India. Now, past life regression, whether you believe it or not, we have lived before. Now, I got into past life regression in 1980. Yes, my friend, 1980. With a friend of mine, we got some books on past life regression, though there was no actual method was given, but we practiced and did it. And then actually I did my formal training in past life regression therapy from US in 1992. I went there and learned it from there. And then I started doing in my hypnosis workshop. One of the sessions was past life regression, and I used to get amazing results. And I've done on myself by listening to my own audio tape, and I was myself surprised, which I will tell you later on. Now, past life regression is a very powerful tool to find out the causes of your problem, release a lot of negative patterns, reveal fear and phobias. In my workshop, people have removed their fear of height, fear of water, fear that somebody may stab them, fear of, a lot of things has come with no time to talk to you about here right now. My friend, a lot of people have asked me to do one-on-one session, which I normally don't do, but many of my previous students, they have asked me to conduct a past life regression workshop. Now, I have done it many years back, but I stopped doing it because I got more in hypnosis and sports. As a lot of demands are coming, the WhatsApp is opening up. So my friend, the good news is I am going to conduct a very powerful, experiential past life regression WhatsApp workshop for 21 days. 21 days means 20 days working days, Sundays there are no lessons. Now what you will get in this workshop? You will get more than 14 guided meditation where I'll guide you into different areas of past life regression, plus little bit of metaphysical areas and some healing also. Let me tell you, you are going to learn how to experience past life regression and what it is. There will be special visualization and exercises to get you ready for the past life regression. And then we'll do past life regression, then spirit guide meditation, and different kind of past life regressions you'll get, like back to the cause regression, life most affecting your current life, past life involvement with your present mate or lover, then unconditional love, pre-birth planning, talent and abilities from your past life. Then we may do some experiential future life progression and present life progression and life between lives, plus many more. I'll take you all these things right now on this video. So my friend, if you're really interested in knowing about your past, you're really interested about learning more the cause of your problem, what you're having right now, and release it, this is a workshop for you. Now remember, this is an experiential workshop. It's a video workshop. That means I'll tell you what it is, I'll explain to you, that will guide you into guided meditation with a wonderful music, so you can experience it. Now it is a lifetime access, so you can do it again and again and again and experience different life. I have done more than 100,000 people past life regression in my seminars on one-to-one. So if you really want to experience past life regression, and remember my friend, this kind of workshop never ever happened in India before. Never ever happened in abroad also. So I've created a very powerful workshop where you get more than 14, I'm saying 14, but you get more than 14 guided meditations, and all this meditation will be yours. For you to do it again and again, lifetime access, you can download, practice and do it anytime you want. Normally my friend, and it may not happen again. So normally my friend, for this kind of personal sessions, I charge 10,000 rupees per session, and you are getting around 14 sessions. And if I conduct a workshop like this for 2 full-day workshop, it will be approximately 10,000 rupees plus GST, that come to 11,800. Now as we are doing in WhatsApp, remember, as we are doing in WhatsApp, we don't need to travel, you don't need to come, you don't need to spend money traveling and staying in the hotel here. It is on the WhatsApp, so you can do it anytime you want. It is not a Zoom workshop, so that you have to be there. It is all recorded, we'll give it to you, so you can do it anytime at your convenience, and you can do it any number of times you want. the fees is you're not paying 10,000, you're not paying 5,000, you're not even paying 3,000, you're not even paying 2,000, you're just paying the fees. The energy exchange is only 1,000 plus GST, that is 1,180 rupees. So my friend, if you're really interested to experience past life regression, you want to know more about it, you want to really experience, this is an experience workshop where we'll be guiding you in many different exercises, and you will learn and experience there number of times. You can do it of yourself. If you're really interested, this workshop may not happen again, so register right now. You can do Google Pay, Paytm, Phone Pay as the number given below, or you can go to our website link. If you want to pay through credit card, only through credit card, there is a pay you money button. You can pay through credit card. Remember, pay you money is only for credit card. Don't try to do with any wallet, Paytm, anything. Your money will get stuck and we'll also not get it. So if you want to do Paytm, Google Pay, Phone Pay, do it right now as you're listening to me, and register right now. And if you want to use a credit card, go to my website and click on the link and pay you money, register. And if you want to transfer, there is a bank detail also given there, and then send us a screenshot. Very important. Send us a screenshot. Many people, they register through somebody else and they don't send a screenshot. So please send us a screenshot immediately, given the number below. We'll put you into the main group and then we'll have a lot of fun. Now the workshop is going to start on 27th of August on your WhatsApp. You're going to create a WhatsApp group. You'll be getting lessons every day on your WhatsApp group. The first lesson you will get at 9 p.m. on the first day on 27th August, and after that you will get the lessons between 5 to 6 every day except Sundays. It's a 21-day workshop, so there are no lessons on Sundays. Plus we're giving you a bonus material of a meditation music to practice meditation. Many people asked for that, so you're going to get that also. Plus you will have to send me how you are doing the exercises, what are you experiencing on my WhatsApp number, so I can check what is happening around with you. It will be very exciting, very powerful workshop. So my friend, I am really excited about it. So register right now, and then I'll see you on 27th of August, 9 p.m. on the first day. Thank you very much.